today at Bass Pro Shops in Rossford, Ohio for their weekend ice fishing seminars, and they've really brought out all the gear this year. They've got plenty of rod combos. We've got our booth set up here introducing ice fishing to Ohioans. Our website's icefishohio.com, and we brought out the gear to kind of show people what we're using. But the Bass Pro Shops has a great selection of gear. They've got their rods. They've got the clam shanties. They've got pretty much every model that's around. They've got the Voyager. They've got the Glide Right slide. You put your bucket in here, put your gear in here, put your rods back here, and you can tow that out on the ice with you. Got the clam Nanook. That's a two-person shanty. It's got the ice armor top on it. Got the clam Kenai. It's a one-man shanty. Got the Yukon. It's a two-man with a heavy-duty sled in it. Got some of the Frables. Over here we've got our jig and rapalas. That makes for a great bait for lake area for the walleyes. They've got all your Northland products, puppet minnow. They've got the new Lindy darters out. We've got this new jig called the Slick Jig. It's a pretty good looking bait. You've got your flyer spoon with a rattle in it. Got your gill pills. These are some nice jigs for bluegills and crappies. Got a good selection of ratsos, your nuclear ants or shrimpos. So if you get a chance, stop by Bass Pro and get some of your ice fishing gear. And they got your bobbers here. And there's our booth again for icefishohio.com, and there's a Firefish talking with a customer.
Come here. George, come here. What? Come here.
This is at the Bass Pro Shops kids event, and Carl's up there demonstrating how to work the jig, and they've got a couple bluegills down here in the tank. The kids are watching, and they're trying to catch a bluegill. And Carl's doing a great job with the kids. Oh, she got one. She got him. She got him. All right. Oh! Catch and release. Catch and release. Bend down, Carl. Get it.